The ocean is my church. The ocean is my church.
Allez Michael.
The ocean is my church. The ocean is my church. Where I go to find freedom. The ocean is my church. Daily problems I freedom. The ocean is my church. Pray for love.
Sleep like hell.
The ocean is my church.
Allez, hook me something. Sweep.
Gather round and let me tell you all a tale. I'm about to give a vision
So
to
crazy,
the shirt
so
that
crazy.
never fail. What's funny is I guarantee
Guys, this
that
way.
everyone is using a method that's more popular than music. You've been sitting, waiting, praying for a fish, but who are you expecting to fulfill your magic wish? Talking to yourself, muttering, wondering if I'm gonna catch. But face it, there's no way of knowing that. It's a fact. If you see it, you believe it. So I'll choose to fish with faith. And no fish is going to hit my belly. I love it when they hate to try to say that I'm a fool, but I'm the only one hooking up, and we're sitting on a school. It's the truth, and your boy is living proof. I catch bigger fish than most other people lose. Spread the news. Adam J knows the ocean is his church, so it is only natural. I know that prayer works. The ocean is my church.
Where I go to find freedom. The ocean is my church. My daily problems I freedom. The ocean is my church. I pray for love so I receive it. The ocean is my church. My church. Lord knows that I need him. That's why the ocean
I'm
is
at
my church.
peace when I'm on the seven seas. Might be brief, but it just feels so heavenly. I don't worry, cause everything will be just fine in no hurry. When I got fishing on my mind, I'm in love with the ocean and its friends.
First
Never
tuna on the
bluff.
fly.
When I say I'm going in, nothing likely.
Okay, when you're ready, you can resume.
You're invited to come to church anytime with me. You don't need a fancy watch,
Ciao,
fancy
ciao,
dress,
Bella.
fancy suit. You can come to church
Nice,
wearing
Mike.
rubber boots.
Nice.
Ain't nobody out here judging how you walk, how you talk. Only judging going on is the size of the fish you caught. It's a happiness that can't be bought, can't be sold. The ocean is for those of the young and those of the old. Stories being told, being made, being shared. The ocean is my church. Everybody join in prayer. The ocean is my